In the last episode, we had a very nice sail from Opua to Whangarei. We used practically all our sails, so it was a good time to practice everything with Elisa.
$16.
Still have the current against us.
The next day we stopped in the last bay for us, just at the end of the river that leads to Whangarei.
They're going to move the trimaran one place further back, and we are going to take that place later on.
In Whangarei there was a technical stop. All the last problems that we still had were solved by the technicians of Outremer. Try it first, then start. Do we need to bring something down? It is so good to be on the rally. The boat suffers from a trip like this. Other people have to find technicians in all the different places and villages, and for us everything is organized. It's really perfect.
Ching, Xavier, ching, ching. Is het jouw glas terug? Merci. Merci pour les vacances, Xavier.
Nee, dat is niet mijn glas, maar...
Niet te dichtbij.
There was so much rain in New Zealand, unbelievable.
Dumplings, chicken wings, two salmon, and one sashimi.
Look what we found.
It's a really nice, cozy, romantic atmosphere over here. They have good facilities to hold the boats out. Bassin, Impossible, Jab, Pom, Vitia.
We celebrated Mario's birthday.
I think that's too big.
That's too big for birthday.
And that's just the beginning of the evening.
What we talk about is it will stay confidential.
I haven't heard it.
Cheers.
We checked the depth at our new place and we found out that we could better put the boat with the nose to the east. On the other side it was deep enough for our rudders.
Huh?
Hier raak ik hem hier.
Oké.
Gewoon onder water.
Ongeveer 2 meter of zo.
At low tide, it was rudder depth.
We're getting the battens out. I will come, I will come. 1 second. Just for sure.
Taking the mainsail was not an easy job, so we are going to prepare some stuff on the sail. And then the advantage is it's also... Oh, wait a moment, guys. Wait a moment. Okay, how are we going to manage this? It looks a little bit too big for that car. Maybe I'm going to help you now. We dropped the anchor completely in the water and then we took it up and cleaned the whole anchor chain so that all the salt was off. The town Whangarei is not very exciting, but the nature around it is beautiful. We made beautiful walks to waterfalls and small rivers. It was amazing.
The sailing cerebral is preparing the boat.
And then it was time to move the boat to the poles, where it was going to stay for 3 months. All our rally friends were there to help. Oh, dat hoor ik door de koptelefoons.
We moeten de drone nog eerst binnenhalen.
Ja.
Yeah. Drop. It's going to help us in our dinghy. James and James are helping on board.
It was pretty narrow and there was some side wind, and the guy from the boat where I was turning was looking a little bit nervous.
On the other side, I think, where I go.
Yeah, if Rob's line is on the side where Jimbo is, then it's good. Nu gaat.
Nee, ik heb ze klaar liggen voor je, Rob.
So we're hanging on the poles now. All the lines are double, so we have redundancy in all the lines. So we have 4 lines in the front, 4 lines in the back, and they are all connected on a different spot on the pole, and also connected on a different spot on the boat. Like here it is connected to the bridle area, one, and the other one is connected to the cleat. Mark is now putting fresh water through the system. It is so good to have a short break now. It was an amazing year. We had so many experiences, and now we are going to rest for a couple of months. We'll be back in March for another 1.5 years of fun.
I needed to just make sure that there wasn't any debris on the runway before we landed. Sorry for the inconvenience. We expect probably about another 10 minutes until we're able to make a landing on that same runway.